So today I got to run to Assumption to the John Deere dealership, pick up some bushings for my caster wheels on my zero turn, and also pick up some trimmer line. So the caster wheels, whenever I go to back up or turn or whatever, they aren't really taking me in the direction I need to go. So that's the first sign that the bushings for those need to be replaced. Usually they're just a piece of plastic that gets worn down. So that's what we're going to do today. So I'm going to let that WD-40 sit in for a little bit. Hopefully get it all soaked up in there, get it loose. Now the problem with these caster wheels is it's very difficult to keep them locked in place in order to loosen the bolts. So I'm gonna have to figure something out. I think I tightened it a little too tight last time I replaced the bushings, and I'll show you all the bushings are. It's these things right here. Two of them go in there. They go just like that. keep the caster wheel from bouncing around and everything. So I got 2 of those for each side. See, last year I had to do this stuff in the driveway. Luckily now, especially with all this rain we've been having lately, I got a workshop to do it in. Wrong way. Come on, lock. Damn it. Come on. Fucking Christ, quit moving. Damn it. Come on. So this is really pissing me off. John Deere, if you're watching, anyone from John Deere watching, if you're gonna put plastic bushings in these damn caster wheels, at least create a caster wheel locking system so that we can get the fucking things undone. Not in too bad a shape, but they have definitely worn thin. Broken. Just take a flathead screwdriver when that happens. Put it right on the edge. Let me show you again. Alright. Take a flathead screwdriver, put it right on the edge of that. Pop it out. Same with the other side. Let me show you again real quick how badly these wear down and how fast they wear down. I changed these out about the middle of last season. Okay. These, the right-hand side caster wheels, were still in pretty good shape. Worn down a little bit, but not bad. They were probably maybe a month or two away from breaking, wearing down so bad they broke. And then the left side caster wheels were completely jacked, completely worn down inside. This piece had busted off. The top one wasn't too bad. It was about maybe a month and a half away from failing. So when you're driving your zero turn and it's not turning the way you're wanting it to right away, that's when you know you need to replace the bushings on the caster wheels. Comes one per pack, so you'll have to get 4 of them. See, they were only at the John Deere dealership. 4 of them were about 17 bucks. They're not cheap, but they're not too bad. The hardest part, like I said earlier, is keeping the wheels from moving around while you're trying to get the bolts out. I really wish John Deere would make a locking system for the caster wheels, specifically for this reason. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe and share. We'll see you again next time. Take care, guys.